I got it. Range day. Alright, YouTube, so look, man, before this video start, man, look, I just need you guys to subscribe. I'm trying to hit 500 subscribers before, in 2 months. So that'll be June the 27th, bro. I'm trying to hit 500 subscribers. I'm at like 230. And for clips that's not in this video, go to my shorts. I got a lot of gun content on my shorts. Like, I think that's what I'm gonna start doing, like stuff that I don't put in videos, I'm gonna put it on shorts. So let's get right back to the video, man. Like, comment, and subscribe, man. We got 9s, ARs, Smith & Wesson, Rugers, Glocks, little toys, all done. 5.5, what that, 5.56? 5.56, 5.56, 223, 5.7, Ruger. He finna get it on. This is the reunion right here. This is the reunion. Bringing it in at 5.5. Everybody finna shoot each other's guns. We finna.
Me too. We just got back cool.
See, they ain't had need to do that. They ain't had need to know that. It's just a family reunion. Niggas been out of town. Niggas been out of town. That's where I've been. Y'all loaded?
Huh?
Y'all loaded? Alright, we shooting the 5.7 first.
5.7?
Shooting the 5.7 first.
We shooting that bitch first? Damn, man.
But bring your shit over here, bro. We not in that lane. We in this lane.
Hey, you dangerous, bro.
Oh, God. Get all your stuff. Over here, man.
Shoot that mother first.
You want me to shoot that mother first?
Yeah, you shoot that mother first.
I got you. I want this motherfucker so damn bad. So bad. Make sure you get me. Ooh. Safe. Ooh.
Safety.
Sit down, man.
Yeah. Let's go time.
It's go time, okay. I'm scared.
I think my headphones are working.
Damn.
Right, you get a bunny line.
Nah, dude.
Where you hear that, nigga? God damn, my headphones. I was fucking up with the camera. That bitch official. We gonna wait till we start shooting it. You ain't hitting on nothing over there. Hey, that bitch official. Nah, why it be hard to see what, like,
God damn. Shoot the Glock. Shoot the Glock. It don't matter which. Go ahead, put that bitch out. Shoot the Glock. Nah, that's crazy. That bitch got hella kick to it. Last AR bullets. Go ahead, shoot the Glock, man. Break the Glock in. First time shooting the G-Lock. Nah. Just put it in and just pull it back. No. Put the bag in. Pull it back. It's in. Pull it back. It's one in the head. Ah, shit. You above the line. Hey, man, that's body, nigga.
that's gonna be $10.
Try to kill his ass. Try to kill his ass.
Get a mark.
Oh, shit. Alright, shit. What's
Why
next?
you tell me while I was on the second shot?
You finna break the Glock in too? Yeah. Break the Glock in.
But it's crazy because I'm aiming. It's like I'm aiming at them. That's why I need the iron.
feel?
That bitch good. Even all fucked up.
God damn, you ain't acting like your sister.
Yeah, bro. Oh shit. That.
Ah, damn.
I just edited that out.
Nah, I'm keeping that shit in. Oh, let me. Hold on. Give me. I gotta shoot my own gun. Good bag, yo. Fill this ass up. That nigga done. Fill this ass up. God damn. Are we done? Oh, let me shoot your shit.
It's one in the head already.
Alright.
Nigga, that target is done. I go for the
Let
orange.
me shoot this motherfucker. Oh, it's safety? Okay.
Safety, y'all.
Oh, wait, I lied. It ain't one in the head. Huh?
Hey, yo,
I look, you
trigger.
don't like how that shit shoot.
Yo, trigger low key long as hell.
He got that double pressure.
Mine got the same shit.
I
It
don't
take
like
a
that.
long time for your shit to shoot.
Oh, God, it's like you press that bitch, but it don't go. You gotta.
You gotta press it all the way down, right?
Yeah, I don't like that shit. I need it.
Just sell that bitch spin.
That's me.
Nah, that's all me. I was aiming for the body, but I ain't trying to.
When I shot the
Somebody
Glock,
hit the
I was
nose twice. Somebody hit the nose twice.
Yeah, it's crazy. What else we showing? Let's keep this thing rolling. Brandon, break that pistol down. Ah, shit. Just bring it over here. Bring it over here to this nigga.
Why I gotta bring it over?
Just bring it over. Cause that's. Hell, we got hella bullets. We gonna break all them holes in. Oh, put that motherfucker out there. Yeah, braids. Yeah, braids.
All right, bitch.
Good. Was that bitch doing that safety shit or no? They shot straight this time. Go ahead and shoot AI. Send that bitch out. Get that chair. We gonna send that motherfucker out. Yeah, shoot that motherfucker.
I'm gonna go for
This shit got recoil. Hella recoil. That bitch, you feel it different. That bitch ain't nothing like no damn 9.
You got the mud right? What you aiming at? Huh? The middle?
Y'all see what I did? have one body.
Hey, you got close to it, but
Yeah, I did. That target big as shit. That shit big as hell.
that's what I'm saying. Let me supervise it.
No sight. That bitch sighted in. What is that shit?
You can see that pink target one.
Yeah, I like that shit.
It's already
That's shot, right? Yeah. I think it like Sunny. I feel like Sunny. The dude that had the chicken wrap.
you aiming for that. Same spot.
Brought a lamb to the hood, man, I did it for the set. I put buzz downs on all my niggas' necks. We was just down, now all my niggas flexing. All in all, man, they feel like we a threat. All in all,